Okay, we're going to line up this intake manifold. All you're trying to do is make sure that this surface is even with the heads here. So we're going to go on there, and we're at 2.73 degrees. And we're going to lay that on the intake manifold. And we're at, oh no, that thing's way off. It's like 5 degrees. Still got it loose, so we're going to tilt it down until it's about in position. 2.71. So that should be right on. You want them as close as you can get them. All you're doing is when you put your carb support on, if you don't have this thing lined up, it can cock the carb one way or the other, so it kind of kills the seal in here. And we're going to check it again to make sure that it's still lined up. When you tighten these manifolds up, you're going to do it evenly. So don't tighten one side and then the other. And if you line it up like this, you're less likely to have intake leaks.